wireless HART protocol, right? So I believe it is clear to you. Is there any doubt regarding the wireless HART protocol? Is there any doubt, students?
सर
हाँ बोलो।
सर आपने तो कल बोला था कि वायरलेस में हम लोग TDMA यूज करते हैं और जिगबी में हम लोग CSMA अब्लिक कॉलिजन अवॉइडेंस वो वाला वायरलेस टेक्नोलॉजी हम लोग यूज करते हैं। तो सर IEEE 802 में हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं सर? फ्रीक्वेंसी FDMA?
नहीं IEEE 802.15.4 के बात कर रहे हो ना तुम?
Yes sir, yes sir.
So here also we use the CSMA/CA. If you know it, please write 1. If you don't know, please write 0. Okay, Victor doesn't know it. Anybody? Oh, all of you. Okay, so basically in case of MAC protocol, actually the access medium. So which protocol is used as access medium? The question should be, which protocol is used as access the medium? Medium means, so this is my medium. So in this medium, so there are several protocols. We used Aloha. In Aloha, we have several other divisions like Pure Aloha, Slotted Aloha, or one persistent CSMA, like this, or CSMA CD, or CSMA CD like this. Apart from this, we have the CSMA CA. So all this protocol, they try to to send their data in such a manner there should not be any collision. But if there is any collision, so they cannot do anything. So they have to wait for that the road becomes clear after the collision. But in case of CSMA/CA, they try only to avoid the collision as much as possible, and after that, if the collision happens, they cannot do anything. Okay. Now the question is, all these protocols here I have written except CSMA/CA, all are being used in the wired network. Wired network means if your machine is connected with the wired, either Ethernet port or any other or optical fiber. Yeah, or you are doing the internet. So that case, you are using this protocol in the wired network. But in the wireless medium, suppose in the mobile or in the laptop is in wireless mode, by tethering your hotspot or through Wi-Fi or through your mobile, whatever internet you are doing, those cases, or in case of IoT, so those cases what Rajesh has told today in the morning, that for Zigbee or IEEE 802.15.4 or 6LoWPAN, so everywhere we use this protocol only, CSMA/CA. The reason behind this is that in each protocol they will try to avoid the collision, right? But if the collision happens, collision means what? A packet and packet collision, right? If the collision happens, then immediately entire road will get jammed. Now, until and unless the jamming is cleared, so nobody can send the protocol, because if the road is jammed, if I try to send my packet within the jam road, again the collision will happen. And jamming of road means what? Jamming of road means what? Actually, packet means they are sending a signal only, right? Your packet is ultimately going in the form of a signal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Signal is going through the wireless medium or ether medium, means the wired medium. Now, another signal means another packet is coming from the other direction or from the same direction. That case, what will happen? That interference will happen if the signals from one direction is coming and another signal is from the another direction is coming, then interference will happen, right? So what do you mean by that interference? Interference means that the entire this signal will get distorted, this yellow signal will get distorted, and the red signal will get distorted, and one signal will come one signal will come, one signal will come, so which will interfere with each other. और भी अगर easy way में बताएंगे, so suppose if I consider the entire signal in this form, the yellow signal is this one, and the red signal is this one. So they are coming from the opposite direction, or it may happen that they are coming in the same direction. After a certain instance of time, what will happen? This red signal will interfere, right? Now this yellow signal is sent by A. This red signal is sent by B, and yellow signal is sent by A. Now A and B need to know that a collision has happened so that they can stop sending their signal. So how do they know? They will know when this signal after collision propagating the jamming signal will reach to A, or this signal after collision they will produce the jamming signal will reach to B. So when it will reach to A or B, whichever is done by first, so they will only come to know that a signal, a collision has happened with my this packet. So immediately I should refrain from sending the further signal next packet, or this packet also I should stop sending. So if I stop sending this both the signal, then what will happen? If I stop sending both the signal, then after a certain instance of time, so this yellow signal will go this way, because the ये तो collision का signal है ना, jamming signal. So jamming signal propagate करते करते एक A की तरफ जाएगा, एक B की तरफ जाएगा, and the road will become clear. So when the road will become clear, the others will start sending the frames. So this is the basic concept of when a collision happens, how the sender and sender from the both side comes to know that a collision has happened, and they will stop sending their packet to avoid further collision, and the road gets cleared as early as possible. And this can only happen for a wired network, because now after the collision, the signal is returning back to the same wire. But in case of wireless medium, if a collision happens, is it possible? Because though no wire is there, after the collision, whatever the interference signal is generated, they will return back to their original position, return back to their originated node, that is A or B. पॉसिबल है क्या? वायरलेस मीडियम में ऐसा कॉलिशन होगा तो ए और बी के पास वो कॉलिशन वाला जो जैमिंग सिग्नल है, दैट विल रीच बैक. Is it possible?
No, sir.
It is not possible. So that is why in the wireless medium they can not use this kind of signal. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is why in the wireless medium, what they do, that they try to avoid the collision as much as possible, but if collision happens, they cannot do anything, because they cannot identify that a collision has happened. That is called, it is called carrier sense multiple access collision avoidance. They will try to avoid the collision as much as possible. तो कॉलिशन अवॉइडेंस करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं? दो टेक्निक यूज करते हैं. व्हाट आर द टेक्निक्स? दैट आल्सो आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड. व्हाट टेक्निक वी यूज?
पहले लिसन द चैनल, देन वेट फॉर अ रैंडम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम.
नो, फर्स्ट लिसन द चैनल, देन वेट फॉर एन, हु कैन टेल? ये तो बताना चाहिए आप लोगों को, मैं उस दिन ही बताया. एनीबॉडी? सुजान?
Sir, all the user will patiently hear where the channel is busy or idle.
After that,
अगर channel
Listen the
Sir,
channel.
if the channel is
Idle,
if the
then
channel
क्या
is
करेंगे?
idle, they will not send the packet directly, sir. And interference time will be there. That if Abe sends
Wait
packet
for
50,
an
then the time is wait for an sir. Sir, time के लिए wait करेगा the interference time.
क्या है उसका नाम?
0
Interference
to
time.
255
क्या नाम है?
millisecond.
Yes, sir. 0 to 250. The
No,
random
no,
amount of
no. Second process देखो मैंने क्या लिखा? आप लोग भूल गए हो. Wait for an interference,
Sir,
interference transmission
yes sir,
time.
interframe transmission time.
After that, they will wait for
Sir, random amount of
random, sir,
time
random
0
amount
to
of
255 milliseconds.
0 to
yes.
255 milliseconds, sir.
तो आप लोगों को याद रखना पड़ेगा ना. Why we are waiting for interference transmission time?
Sir, for A or B is sending any packets,
So how much time it takes
so they make.
to receive from reach from A to B?
Yes sir.
मान लो एक सिंपल एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ. तो मुझे देखना है देरगांव से लेके आरआरएल तक कोई कॉलिशन हो रहा है कि नहीं. ठीक है. देरगांव में आरआरएल ए है और आरआरएल में बी है. ओके. दैट केस फर्स्ट मैं काजीरंगा यूनिवर्सिटी के सामने हूँ. so that case I will listen patiently that whether any collision has happened in between Dergaon to RRL or not. If there is no collision happens, by this time some vehicle may go. So what should I do? I should wait for a time for any vehicle to reach from Dergaon to RRL. मान लो देरगांव से आरआरएल जाने के लिए 10 मिनट टाइम लगता है. तो 10 मिनट टाइम अगर वेट करेंगे, दैट केस आई विल बी श्योर दैट इन बिटवीन अगर कोई व्हीकल रवाना हो गया, दैट केस दे मस्ट हैव रीच टू आइदर आरआरएल और देरगांव. मतलब देरगांव से अगर कोई व्हीकल रवाना हुआ तो 10 मिनट टाइम वेट करेंगे तो वो आरआरएल पहुंच जाएगा. आरआरएल से अगर कोई व्हीकल रवाना हुआ तो देरगांव पहुंच जाएगा. करेक्ट और नॉट?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
That time is called interframe transmission time. The time required to reach the packet from the last source to from the first source to last destination.
Sir, the time, the time required.
The time required for a frame to reach from the first source to last destination. Got it? Interframe transmission time.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So by this time, मान लो 10 मिनट वेट करते करते by this time one vehicle has already come to in front of Kaziranga University, one is in front of Panichokwa, one is in front of Mubanda. Now after waiting the interframe transmission time, all of them will start sending their vehicle and immediately collision will happen. So to avoid that one, we use the third technique, that wait for a random amount of time. तो तीनों का रैंडम अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम सेम होने का पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत कम है.
Yes sir.
So that way, in this way, so they are trying to avoid the collision. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
तो दो ही बोल रहा है. What about the others? Please write 1 if you have understood, or write 0 if you have not understood.
Understood, sir.
Understood? तो ये आज लेके मैं 5 बार बताया ये चीज, फिर भी आप लोग जवाब नहीं दे पाए. ये बहुत दुख की बात है मेरे लिए. नेक्स्ट टाइम जवाब दे पाओगे?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, fine. Now coming back to wireless HART. So wireless HART is a technology. Actually, it is a technology adopted by the HART Foundation. So it is based on the HART Foundation. So it is basically for this technology is being developed for the industrial purposes, where we have to put that wireless HART devices in different designated point, and we'll get the sensor data from those designated point in a mesh topological manner, and those data will come at a data speed of 250 kbps. And there should not be any collision of those data. To ensuring this one, what they do that they are using the TDMA protocol. So what is basically TDMA protocol? Who can answer? Yesterday I told.
The frequency is allotted.
आप नहीं,
Yes, sir.
आप नहीं, दूसरे कोई. So what about the girls? Girls are not responding anything. Kenyuni, Kritika, Bornali. What is TDMA protocol?
Sir, time
हाँ बोलो बोलो. नाम बताओ. What is? हाँ
Time division multiple access protocol.
हाँ तो वो उसमें क्या करते हैं हम लोग? नाम बताओ.
Sir,
I have to give the marks ना? हाँ बोलो.
Gautam.
Gautam or somebody else also answered it.
Sir, Divyansh, sir, Divyansh.
Divyansh, okay, fine, Divyansh. Okay, so now tell me, so what do you mean by the TDMA?
Sir,
बताओ.
sir,
Channel
it allows
access
several
method.
users to share the same frequency.
Allowed to share the same frequency, then
Sir, it is a channel access method.
channel access method.
Sir.
Right. So there are several channel access methods are there. In TDMA, what specific thing we do?
Sir, each station gets fixed length slot, sir.
Exactly. Each of the user will be given same time slots. Then
shared medium network, sir.
शेयर्ड मीडियम क्या सबको ये नेट ढूंढ रहा है और देख देख के आधा आधा जो समझ में आ रहा है वही बता रहा है. किसी को तो समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा है. अगर तुमको समझ में आता है तुमको बात करने के तरीके से ही पता चलेगा. गौतम तुम कुछ बोल रहे थे, गौतम को समझ में आया लगता है. बताओ गौतम.
सर वही सर, मतलब हर एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम स्लॉट देता है.
टाइम स्लॉट देता है, आफ्टर दैट वी विल रिवोक द टाइम स्लॉट एंड गिव इट टू द अदर यूजर, राइट? So after 1000 milliseconds, we will return back that time slot to that particular user. So this is the TDMA technology.
Yes,
this is the TDMA technology. Okay, right. So please, अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो बताना. But if you keep mum that you are only deceiving yourself, I cannot do. I will at least try to ask you several times and try to understand your understanding level. But if you are not helping me, in that case I cannot do anything. So I request you to जितना भी मतलब मान लो आज जो भी पढ़ाने की कोशिश किया 10% भी पढ़ा पाया, अगर वो भी solid है, that case I am okay with that. I don't want to go run after the syllabus. I want to go to run after your knowledge level or your understanding level, your skill set. हाँ, वो जितना हो सके इतना build करने की कोशिश करेंगे. I know all several things, but उसमें क्या फायदा until and unless I cannot propagate onto you. So for that I require your help only. Don't keep mom with that notion that बाकी सब क्या बोलेगा अगर गलत बताएंगे तो. बोलने दो, but at least you will try to clarify your doubts ना. जैसे बीच बीच में मैं हेमंत को देखता हूँ, समझ में आए, अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो हेमंत तो एटलीस्ट बोल देता है कि हाँ मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. I want this kind of attitude. समझ में नहीं आया फिर भी बैठे रहेंगे, हाँ समझ में आया ऐसा एटीट्यूड लेके, कोई फायदा नहीं है. ओके, तो माय रिक्वेस्ट इज प्लीज कम अप. अगर समझ में नहीं आया देन आई विल टेल यू. ऐसा कभी हुआ आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया बट फिर भी मैं नहीं बता रहा हूँ? ऐसा कभी हुआ आप लोगों को? नहीं है. आई विल ट्राई टू आस्क यू सेवरल टाइम्स इफ यू हैव नॉट, इफ यू didn't understand. So please cooperate me. Okay. Now, this is basically based on the HART Foundation, and this is the actual deployment of the wireless HART devices in the industry. So if you see that one, these are the wireless HART devices which has been deployed actually. So in a tank, actually this is a tank basically. This is actually not a tank. It's a what should I say? It's a broiler. So it's a boiler. So where they want to see that what is the current temperature and pressure at the different level of the broiler, because sometimes it happens that if the pressure increases, boiler is basically like a pressure cooker only. So if the pressure increases beyond a certain level, the boiler can burst. And the pressure level कैसे increase हो सकता है? Because within the boiler we used to send the water only. Now within the water there are several residues are there, and different minerals are there. So those minerals precipitate, वो जम के वो boiler का जो layer है उसमें एक outer layer create कर देता है, and that creates a uneven distribution of pressure, and due to that the broiler usually get burst. So that is why in the industry most of the cases what they do, that they use distilled water in the boiler, but sometimes it may not be possible to use the distilled water in the boiler. So if you don't use the distilled water in the boiler, that case too you have to monitor the temperature, pressure, everything of the boiler regularly. So what they are doing, that they are putting that wireless HART sensor over there, and this is the wireless HART sensor, and this is the antenna, and they create a network, mesh network, after putting that wireless HART within that network. Okay, and either they use the star and mesh topology that already I told you, and this is another thing that I wanted to show you regarding that TDMA. कितना टाइम स्लॉट्स हम लोगों ने यूज कर रहे थे, आपको याद है कितना चैनल यूज कर रहे थे? 11 to
100 सर।
no.
हाँ सर।
तो हाँ वो तो इंटरनल चैनल था, एक चैनल कितना?
सुपर फ्रेम, यस सर।
सुपर फ्रेम. So within how many channels we are using? 100 we are using within single channel, but how many distinct channel we are using? 11 to 26 channels. Can you remember?
Yeah.
हाँ, एक चैनल का बैंडविड्थ कितना है? 5 megahertz. Right? So how those channels are being used? और हर चैनल हम लोग यूज नहीं कर रहे थे, बीच में क्या कर रहे थे, एक का हम लोग सॉरी
टू एडजेसेंट, यस सर।
हाँ, 2 एडजेसेंट चैनल के बीच में हम लोग एक बैंड गैप रख देते थे. लाइक दिस इज द 11th नंबर ऑफ चैनल, दिस इज द 11th चैनल, एक गैप रख दिया 5 megahertz का, and after that 12th channel we are using. Another gap we are using the 13th channel, another gap 14th channel, another gap 15th channel. In this way up to 26 is there, so we'll use up to 24th, 26th channel we will not use. Now how comes the concept of TDMA within this channel? The concept of TDMA comes that if I am using this channel, so this channel को अगर बड़ा करके देखेंगे ऐसा आएगा. Within this channel we are dividing into different time slots. We are dividing into different time slots. How many time slots will be there within a single channel? बताओ कितना time slots होगा? 100 time slots will be there. Now is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So 100 time slots will be there within each channel. So in this way the TDMA time slots are being utilized. ये clear है आप लोगों को? अगर कोई doubts है तो बताओ. Is this clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the wireless HART network topologies. Wireless HART का network topologies कैसे काम करता है? So you can see that these are the different wireless HART nodes. How much time left? Let me check. So 5 minutes left. Today I will not restart the class. So today I'll take the class up to 40 minutes only because I have another meeting just now. So today you don't require to rejoin the class again. Okay. So in the wireless HART, you can see that the multiple numbers of nodes are there, and they create a mesh topologies. And there are certain rules are there at the time of creating the nodes. Means that whatever be the mesh topologies you are creating, ultimately all the data will go to the access point, and from that access point to the gateway. And there is a network manager will be there who will manage the entire network, and how the access points are sending the data, that will be actually sent to your network manager. From the network manager, the data can be viewed through the wireless handheld device, means your mobile. Okay. And the placing of this wireless HART node is very important. Means that the placing should be like that each of the wireless HART should not traverse more than 3 hop, more than 3 hop to its neighbor. Means that if this is the wireless HART node, so what should be my destination? My destination should be this access point. So this node can directly access this access point. So 1 hop is there, right? What about this node? How much hop is required to reach the access point? So
2 hop.
I need to reach this one 1 hop, and
Yes, sir.
I can reach this one 2 hop. Or if I consider this node, how much hop is required? How much hop is required? This one is 1 hop and this one is 2 hop, right? So it should not be like that. The network is so big that to reach the destination node or the access point, I require more than 3 hop. It should be created like this only. Okay. So it should not be maximum 7 hop. It should be maximum 3 hop. Okay. And maximum 5 devices within 1 hop from gateway. Means that suppose this is the network, right? So each of the node, this is a node. Each of the node must cannot have more than 5 hop as its neighbor. For this node, how many neighbors are there? Direct neighbor. Kitna neighbor hai? For this node, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even 5. Sorry, 5. 5 है.
हाँ सर, एक्सेस पॉइंट को काउंट नहीं करेंगे सर से, क्योंकि सर
नहीं एक्सेस पॉइंट भी, तो एक्सेस पॉइंट को भी वो डेटा भेजना पड़ेगा ना.
ओके, 5 हो गया सर.
5 हो गया. Now tell me, for this node, how many for this node, how many neighbors are there? Direct neighbors. 1, 2,
Sir, I think
4 sir.
4, sir.
3 and 4.
Yes sir.
Okay. Or for this node, how many neighbors are there?
3.
1, 2, 3,
Yes sir.
4. समझ में नहीं आया? देखो ना स्ट्रेट लाइन कितना है.
सर वो सर्कल कर दिया था ना, इसलिए पता नहीं चला मतलब कनेक्ट है कि नहीं है बोल.
ओ अच्छा. मोबाइल से देख रहे हो?
हाँ सर.
क्यों, लैपटॉप कहाँ गया?
सर लैपटॉप में ज्यादा बैंडविड्थ लेता है, इसलिए कभी कभी आपका आवाज नहीं आता है.
और लैपटॉप में आवाज नहीं आता है. ओके फाइन.
हाँ सर.
मेरे साथ तुम लोगों को भी बहुत स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है. Okay, so ये समझ में आया? So we should not have more than 5 devices to be connected. Okay. Next thing is that what are in the wireless HART entire network topology, what are the things are there? So one is that wireless field devices, wireless HART adapters. So that antenna is the wireless HART adapter.